from Persian Walk, and today I want to show you how Iranian women wear a scarf. As you know, in current Iran, hijab is mandatory, and hijab is a word in Islamic Republic of Iran that means women, and also women specifically. We are speaking about women. Women are obliged to wear their head and their body up to ankle and up to normally wrist or elbow. Let's go. I want to show you how it's stylish to wear a scarf in nowadays. Hello. It's a nice handicraft shops that you can also buy manteaus that we Iranian women used to wear. And nowadays also we are wearing this kind of manteau. Some of them are open in front and some of them are, you know, it's kind of like shirts, not very long. But in the past we are supposed to wear you know, long loose manteau. Nowadays it's okay. Women can easily wear shirts and just you know, covering your waist is okay, upper hip also, and sometimes you can wear shirts or t-shirt that's up to your elbow. It's okay, especially for tourists. If you are a traveler, it's okay, because even if a moral police stopped you, as they understand you are a foreigner, you are a traveler, they apologize you and they respect you. So it's okay. Don't worry about how you you know, wear shirts. Now I want to show you how we wear scarves. And sometimes you can see girls, especially in big city like Tehran, they just put their scarves on their shoulders. You know, and nowadays it's much better. Step by step we wear shorter and shorter manteaus, and sometimes you can see the girls like this. And don't forget, Iranian girls are really stylish, so, and they also wear colorful clothes and bring some fashionable clothes here. Sometimes you need to go, you're invited to go to a party, and yeah, for sure you need it. Let's start with this beautiful yellow scarf. You can sometimes easily wear a scarf like this, and or you can just do, you know, something like that. Let me show you. This way. And if you have a pin, it's better to make it fix. I don't have a pin with myself. Like a turban sometimes. Do you like it? Okay, let's try another one. Or simply you can just leave it like this. Especially nowadays, as summer approaching and the temperature goes up, women tend to show more of their skin. It doesn't mean that we want to be more sexy just because it's too hot. So sometimes you can see women in cropped pants, 5 or 7 centimeters upper than your neck. It's okay. Let's try another one. This one. Like this. Or I like the design. And next one, it's a head scarf. Uh, in the past, you were obliged to cover your neck. Nowadays, the same, but women, they don't care. You can see lots of rebellious, especially teenager, that they show some part of their neck. It's okay, and you as a foreigner, you can do the same. Why not? Do you like it? Okay, next one. And this is the actually headband. I don't recommend this, but if you have a short hair, why not? Next one is shows this beautiful square shaped scarf that we call it rusari, that I personally don't wear it, but I want to show you how you can, like this. I like the pattern. And what else? Yeah, different pattern you can find. Oh, let me show you this one. I really like it. This is the pattern of Golestan Palace tiles that are really famous, and Golestan Palace has a yard with very beautiful colorful tiles. It's really pictures, and nowadays lots of tourists go there to take a picture. Isn't it like this? And another thing, when you are invited in one Iranian's house, it's better to consider if they are religious or not. It's better to wear a modest clothes if you don't know about them, but it's okay. You don't need to wear a scarf. Anyway, it's better to respect them if they are religious and wear, clothes with less revealing part of your body.